Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make marinara sauce from scratch. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 1/4 cup of good olive oil, and 4 cloves of fresh garlic. Don't forget about 1/2 cup of fresh basil, plus salt and black pepper to taste. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat 1/4 cup of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Once shimmering, add your 4 minced garlic cloves. Sauté them gently for about 1 minute, just until they become fragrant. Be very careful not to let the garlic brown or burn, as this will give your sauce an unpleasant bitter taste. With the aromatics ready, it's time for the tomatoes. Carefully pour in the entire 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. Stir everything together thoroughly to combine. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Let it cook, uncovered, for at least 20 minutes or up to 45 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen beautifully. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. Stir in your 1/2 cup of fresh basil, then season with salt and black pepper to your liking. Taste and adjust as needed. A perfectly balanced marinara is truly delicious. This homemade sauce is fantastic with pasta or as a base for other dishes. Remember to check the description for the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.